daily vlogs, and this week we will continue on our experimentation on the Terracotta series. So from our previous vlog, you've seen the traditional zero pot, which is a terracotta inner and terracotta outer combination, as well as the metal and terracotta combination. So this week we will see the plastic and terracotta combination, as well as the glass and terracotta combination. Ton also started with the plastic series, which is instead of using terracotta pots as the outer layer, we will be using plastic buckets. So we started on the plastic and glass combination, as well as the plastic and metal combinations. Hey guys, so we're now going to change the metal bucket to plastic and
So welcome to vlog number 4. So I'm in charge of spearheading the plastic series for this project. Now unfortunately, I'll only be able to do the metal and plastic pot because the terracotta and plastic pot is encountering some problems, and I don't want to ruin our timeline of uploading. So as you know, we only upload around every Sunday, and I don't want to jeopardize that just because something's gonna be delayed. So we're gonna have the terracotta and plastic pot along with the rest of the plastic series next week. So without further ado, let's start. So obviously you have the plastic pail over there, the metal bucket which will be inside, and then I don't have a shovel, so we'll be using a variety of kitchen materials to be putting the soil inside. And then obviously there's the soil over there, and the zero pot is going to be put on top of that monoblock chair. We're going to put a plate under, and we're going to put it right over there by the balcony. So here's the amount of soil I put on the plastic pail. So this is mostly to level the metal pot, which is smaller, to the bigger plastic pail. So just don't put too much and don't put too little, and you should be fine. Now won't you look at that? So that's how the metal pot looks inside the plastic pot. So now the obvious next step is to fill up these sides with soil. So here's our metal and plastic zero pot. So as you can see, I already put the soil on the side, and without further ado, I think we're ready to start our project. Now that there's water on the soil, I just put the 2 damp towels on top, and we'll check on it in about 2 hours. So you can see here. That's the sear pot, and we'll check on it later. So it just rained, so it's not that hot, so that might have an effect on the temperature that the pot generates, but hopefully it will still go well. So the room temperature right now, by the way, it started raining, so that's why we had to put it inside. So room temp is 28.1, and the temperature on the inside is 26.3. It's dawn again, so I have some great news. So right, I said that we won't be able to push through with the terracotta plastic pot this week, but I found an alternative. So originally, we were supposed to do the glass and plastic pot next week, but look what I have over here. It's a glass pot, and I have another plastic pot to use. So we'll be starting on the glass plastic pot today, and we'll get to see the results on this week's vlog, so stay tuned for that. So here are our materials for our glass plastic pot. So obviously we have the glass pot over here, which is gonna go inside the plastic pot, and then my bad, we have a spoon to scoop the soil, which we'll put here, and a towel for cleaning, and a cover. Now it's easier to put the soil later on, and obviously another monoblock chair to put the pot inside after. So what's nice about this glass plastic pot is they're already almost equal in size, so we don't have to put a lot of soil on the back or on the bottom of the pot. So we're mostly going to be focusing on putting it on the sides in this experiment. So I just put a little bit of soil on the bottom. Now the water could go here, and just to balance everything out, but significantly less than the last pot. Look who's interested. Hi boy, Stolly. He's watching us. So here is year pot number 2, guys. So that is glass on the inside and plastic on the outside. So here we have the glass plastic pot, and we'll be testing this out later. So I just put the damp cloth, oops. So I just put the damp cloth over the zir pot, and we'll be checking it out later. So here's a look on the inside. It's a bit dark, but yeah. Now we're gonna check the temperature change of the glass plastic pot. So the temperature right now is 27.8, whereas the temperature on the inside is 26.4. Hey guys, welcome to day number 3 of the plastic challenge. So far our observation is that the weather has really affected this experiment. So because of the harsh weather and the frequent rain, the humidity and the temperature has not been, high enough for us to get a really good temperature in the zir pot. But besides that, we also noticed that adding metal covers as a second layer of covering for the inner pot didn't really work in our case. So we took that out and we'll see if the results turn out better today.
Thanks, Son, for starting on the plastic series. So next week, that is week number 5, we will continue on our experimentation on the plastic series. So that will be the terracotta and plastic and plastic combination, as well as the combination of the glass and terracotta, since we didn't get to do it this week. Week number 5, we will also have the verdict, wherein we will compare each result from the different combination of zir pot and choose or determine which is the best zir pot there is. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye!